Hello and welcome to your own channel Money Wealth. So today I brought you a swing trading question number 7. So before I begin, let me clear out that today we are going to focus only on one stock, but it is a swing trading. So let's begin our trading stock session number 7. So guys, to make it interesting and you guys to understand what is the study which we need to do before stock selection. So today, as I said, we'll stick on to one chart, one stock, and we'll review it completely. We'll study it completely. So let's begin. Name of the stock will be revealed in the next slides. So today the stock which I have taken is from the micro industry sector, which is holding 24% of ROCE and ROE is equally to 20%. So fabulous. Pricing of the shares is zero. Earning per shares is great. Quick ratio is above 1.511 and P is hit at 30. So I'll make you understand why I said hit it to 30. Operating margin is at 14.8%, fabulous year on year for last 5 years. So net profit is in a positive territory. So this is a quick overview of any stock to look at. So let's dive in the depth. So let's begin. So this is quarter to quarter results. If I start comparing from last 1 year duration from December 2022 to 2023 and quarter to quarter results, we could see there is a rise in sales, a rise in operating profits, and net profit has jumped from 91 somewhere around 75 to 108. So everything is in rising trend. If move to year on year, yeah, this is year on year profit and loss. So sales has increased substantially. If you see from March 2020, 21, it was 1,500 and 2,000, 2,600. So this is increasing in 2023. Operating profit from 182 to 216 to 300. Now it is fabulous, 1460 crores profit. But the net profit, if you see 73 to 294, 3 times it has increased. So the company is in a growing trend, the business is in a growing trend. Now, coming to the shareholding pattern, this is very interesting data which I put in for you. This is FIS and DIS. If you see FIS, it's 0.000% quarter and quarter. Can you focus here? For last 3 quarters, it has increased its stake from 0 to more than 1%. Very interesting. DIS, they were already at 10%. They have reduced in between for the last 2 quarters, but now they are at 13%. Now, who is losing this stock? The weak hands, the public. They are losing at this junction. Their loss already reduced by 4%. Who has captured it? Who has encashed it? It is FIS and DIS. So, more data, that is cash flow. So, if you see cash flow, this is year on year, this is increase. If you leave it to the last year's cash flow, then this year it's in a much more positive territory. So all things are positive for this particular stock. Now comes the balance sheet. Let's see how the balance sheet is performing. So reserves, it's increasing. Borrowing, definitely it has increased. Fixed assets, it is maintained constant. Investments, it's almost constant. So total assets, it is increased. So how is the PE? Very important. PE. Whether PE is heated up? Yes. PE is heated. What is the ideal PE for this stock? It is somewhere around 10 to 12. Where it is right now, it has right now gone to 10, 18 to 20, 20, 22. So why I'm saying this is heated up? This will be followed later. So ideal PE to buy this stock is somewhere 18, but it is not that's something which has slipped and increased so exponentially. It is increasing. If you see, it has broken its all-time high PE level. So, but the profits are at all-time high. If sales are at all-time high, the stock also has to be at all-time high. The PE has to be at the all-time high. So all relatively has to go all-time high. Only then it will break its all, previous high, and it will make new high. Again, it will make break previous high. It will make new high. So this has to go up, 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 up. Profit, sales, PE, everything will go up, and it will make its new highs. But PE after certain time duration, the price will be maintained and PE has to cool off before it starts the new journey. So this is how a stock performs in a stock market. Now, before revealing the stock name, so let's have a glimpses on to what is the price right now. Before that, I want you to take a note of this volume. Exactly in from December, February, and till this December. So in 1 year, if you see, the volume has picked up. The price has broken its consolidation zone and trying to move up. And it is above 50-day moving average. Obviously, it is about 200-day moving average also. So this stock is very positive. By now, you could get the information how to study this stock, and you could make it one confirmation that this stock is bullish. This is bottom line. Now comes this stock name. What I'm speaking here is Ram Pistons. So this is an auto ancillary company, and the current market price, as I said, it is 1940 somewhere. Reserves are increasing. Debt to equity is 0.9. Most of the things have been covered in the very first slide. So debt to equity ratio, debt is only 333 crore. ROC, ROE we have discussed, and P at 20. So let's move ahead. Now comes to the very important point is price action. If you see the price action, it has broken its all-time high. Volume is also increasing. The RSI is touching 70. So all this is positive. But what I'm looking here is stock will move somewhere at levels of 2000, and thereafter it should cool off and come to this level of 1850. What you have to check is 1850 as a GTT level, where this full retracement, what I'm looking here is a full retracement. Okay, thereafter you can choose to enter into this stock. So from here I do see only 5% more, and thereafter once it retraces, I do see a 30% potential from this, from the from that position, particular position. So last slide, what are the targets? As I said, that I do see a stock to hit very quickly to the psychological level of 2000, and possibly this stock has to retrace to 1850, and then there will be a big jump to a level of 2250 and sorry 2600 or 2650. So this is how you have to study the stock, and this particular stock, Shriram Piston, you can keep it in your watch list and wait for some time. As I said, the PE is heated up, the stock is heated up. So keep an eye onto it, keep it in the watch list and track. So before taking any decision, do consult your financial advisor, and do like the channel if you like the videos, the content which I'm bringing in. I'm putting a lot of effort to get this, but I do admit that I'm not consistent enough to do this, but I'll try to make it. So with this, I would say a happy Holi. I'm making this video in the midnight, so uh, enjoy, enjoy your time with your family, friends, and thank you.